Okay, so it is complete. Oh, oh. Okay, so now we have a bottle of water, right? So now what we have to is we have to hang this bottle of water by using 3 matchsticks. Like we have matchstick, we are not using as for a bad work. We're just using this one for hanging this bottle of water. Let's see how will we do that, right? So shall we start? First of all, we use this matchstick in this way. Now what we have to do is we need to keep some weight. So we are right now initially we are giving weight as like this bottle of water. We have another bottle of water like this, और फिर मैंने हटा दिया so that someone not claim us for using this bottle of water. ठीक है, तो अभी हटा देंगे तो अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. So whatever it is inside this bottle, right? Let's see the जादू. So you can see that we have already hanged it. So can you do it some farther distance so that it will be more? Okay. As we can see that there is a nail, right? So brought it together. Bring it towards me. Okay. So actually the thing is there was a nail. So I was thinking out it should not help to hang it. Now what we have to do is we are dividing its center of mass. Now we can see that the whole bottle has a weight like this one. There is another bottle that is hanging, right? You can see the amount of water which is already hanging here. So right now what we are doing is the whole weight is hanging on only this matchstick, right? So we are dividing this tension which is acting vertically downwards. We are dividing this force in what way you can see. Let's see how much potential, how much weight it can bear. Give it a force for a higher amplitude. Little bit higher amplitude. Oh.